Tom Irwine with ESI Equipment. If you've watched some of our previous presentations, you've seen us take a brand new pickup truck and turn it into a piece of apparatus for a fire department, EMS squad, or a police department. Today we want to show you something we can also do that many people don't know. This fire department took a 2013 truck that had been in service for many years. It just had a regular cap on it. It was disorganized. It only had one slide in the back, and it was getting water, dirt, grime, snow, salt in it, and it was affecting their tools. So they came to ESI looking for a solution, and we're going to take a minute and show you what we provided. On the driver's side, we open the gull wing door, and you'll see we have a 9-inch compartment which they can hang equipment. We also have a pull-out tray that'll hold up to 300 pounds of equipment. Before we did this upfit for them, the back had one slide on it, and that slide was completely covered with equipment with no organization in it at all. We've installed 2 slides. They're each rated at holding 2,000 pounds at full extension. We have this equipment tool stand, and behind it you'll see we do have an upper shelf that we're going to mount. We're waiting for them to arrive with the tools so we can custom mount everything exactly where it'll be the most efficient for them. And here we have a 15-inch deep compartment along with another slide-out tray, again that holds 300 pounds like the opposite side, which is mounted on a bridge system to give it extra strength. As part of this installation, they wanted to reuse this light on the back of the cap, so that is something that we were able to provide for them. Thank you again to Community Fire Rescue of Franklin, New Jersey for their commitment to ESI to do this project, and good luck with your continued service with this truck to the community.